Yes, magnetic effects of electric current. Let we have to see the magnetic effect of electric current is known as electromagnetic effect. That means both electric field and magnetic field which has to be together. So that's why we have to call it as electromagnetic effect. It means the electric current produces a magnetic field. That means the electric current behaves look like a magnetic field. So that's why it means the electric current produces a magnetic field. It is observed that when a compass is brought near a current carrying conductor, the needle of compass gets deflected because of flow of electricity. So it is called a magnetic effects of electric current. Magnetic field and magnetic field lines. So magnetic field, we have know about the magnet. Magnet have two poles. One is north pole and one is south pole. So they have a total. The magnetic field should be going on there. And how to make a magnetic field lines? Let us see. We are familiar with the fact that a compass needle gets deflected when brought near a bar magnet. A compass needle is in fact a small bar magnet. The ends of the compass needle point approximately towards the north and south directions. You see here, the ends of compass needle point. That means whenever we have to put a short bar magnet, we have to place one paper of sheet. In the middle of the paper of sheet, we have to be kept a magnet, and that magnet we have to kept a needed a compass also should be there. Then automatically the compass needle gets deflected. So which has to be going on a north to south directions. So that's why the ends of compass needle point approximately towards the north and south directions. So the end pointing towards north is called north seeking or north pole. So that means the ending point towards north is called north seeking or north pole. The other end that points towards south is called south seeking or south pole. That means we have two poles in magnet. One is north pole and one is south pole. That means the ending points, the two are ending points only. We have to go can call as one is south seeking and one is north seeking. That means one is north pole and one is south pole. So through the various activities we have observed that like poles are repel while unlike poles of magnets attract each other. That means like poles means north pole or south pole, and unlike poles means one is south and north and south are unlike poles. So the two unlike poles of magnets are attract each other and two like poles of magnets repel each other. So this is called a form of a magnetic field and magnetic field lines. See here, so there is a magnet, one is north pole and one is south pole. So the magnetic lines from starting from the north pole to south pole towards the direction. See the direction of the magnetic field lines. See the north to south. So the outer of the magnetic field lines from north to south, but inside the magnetic field is south to north direction. See, these are the two make a difference between these outer field and inside the field. The outside field of the magnet is starting from north pole to south pole. The inside of the magnetic field is starting from south pole to north pole. Then how make it is? See here, a bar magnet, compass, white paper. So these are all the materials we have to need whenever we have to draw the magnetic field lines. See, place the bar magnet at the center on the board and allow its needle to come to rest along the north-south direction. So it marks two ends. That means one is north and one is south. So draw a line passing through these 2 points. Place the magnet with its north pole towards north direction. Marks its boundary with a pencil. Like so, we have to place the magnetic compass close to north pole of the magnet, then the magnet needle comes to rest in a particular direction. That the direction makes a starting from north to south direction. Then again we have to using these repeated diagrams, then the repeated marks and repeated lines will be going on there. So this is called the magnetic field lines. See how we have to observing here. See, at the poles of bar magnet, opposite poles of compass needle comes to rest. That means the starting point is north pole, then it comes to rest position is at south pole. And again the second line we have to go for the north pole start and we have to go at rest at south pole. So we have to similarly so make a drawing so many lines, but it has to come at a rest position. So deflection is increases, the needle is moving towards the pole of the bar magnet. See here, the field lines around the bar magnet follow the pattern of iron filling around the magnet. So this is make a drawing lines, the magnetic field lines from the direction. So it has the magnetic field has a both magnitude and direction, both magnitude and direction. That means magnetic field lines, the area around a magnet where a magnetic force is experienced is called the magnetic field. It has both magnitude and direction. It is a vector quantity. And see like this, the magnetic field lines. The magnetic field lines means inside the magnetic field, the force exerted by a magnet can be detected using a compass or any other magnet. Then the magnetic field is represented by the magnetic field lines. It has both magnitude and direction. Are you understand? See, these all are the magnetic field lines which has to going on arrow mark. Where the arrow mark is going on there, that is magnetic field lines. The starting position is from north to south, so outer of the field. So inside the field can go see here south to north direction. So these are the magnetic field lines in magnetic field around the bar magnet. Around the bar magnet, the compulsory the magnetic field is be going on there. Okay. See here the two magnets, that means unlike poles. See here south north and south north. So whether the two magnets are getting together, north and south should be there. So whenever the north and should be going on there, the poles, opposite poles are attracting each other. That means unlike poles attract each other. Whether the unlike poles attract each other, they have a strong magnetic field should be going on there. You understand? See, the poles are different. The poles are different, but the magnetic field lines are attracting each other. They have to maintain a strong magnetic field. So it has a lines of magnetic flux. You understand? Let's see whether the like poles how to get in here. Let's see here the like poles. That means north pole, north pole. See, from north pole to south pole, one of the magnet can be going on, magnetic field line can be going from the north to south, and this side, on the right side of the north pole to south pole, those are the two directions should be going on there. But here, the unlike poles, how to repel each other? Because of the magnetic field lines are not attracting here. Because of two north poles are getting together. Two north poles are getting together. We have to be observing the magnetic field lines are not attracting each other. They have a repelling each other. So that's why here a weak magnetic field is formed. So like poles can be have a weak magnetic field, and unlike poles have a strong magnetic field can be formation here. So these are the magnetic field lines, and how to make a magnetic field strength can be going on of two magnets. So should be going on weak magnetic field and strong magnetic field. How to make a strong magnetic field? That means the unlike poles are attract each other, then the strong magnetic is fall. When like poles are should be going on there, then the weak magnetic field can be going. We have to observing in magnetic field lines by throwing the how to make compass needle. Compass needle is very important for this to draw a magnetic field lines. See, this is compass needle. Whether it is north, south, east, west inside the compass box, That means one of the black needle should be going on, that is the magnetic needle. So how to magnetic needle can be getting, whether we have to put a needle by the short bar magnet from north side to north or north side to south side. How to make a direction can towards this deflection. So that deflection makes a direction, should be going on a direction. So whether we have to needle by the compass box, automatically the magnet needle gets a deflection. So when the deflection means the north and south pole, so it means so south should be going on there in the compass box. So north is the magnet. So whether two are attracting each other, then the deflection will be starting. How the deflection can be going on the clockwise direction? We have to put a mark on the north side point. So and again, so whether we have to, where we have to put a point, and again the compass box can get a take there, and we have to keep there, and again we have the deflection should be going on there. Again we have to mark a north side point, and automatically then the compass box to get a kept a other point, and that point to makes a direction going a north side point. So should be like a all the points from north to south direction, north to south direction. Then the magnetic lines can be formed by compass box. So see how to make a magnetic lines are formed. See, look like here the north side we have to keep a compass box, and the compass box get a direction towards the south. So that point makes a compass needle. How to make a north side point? Clear? Are you observing? So these are the draw and make a lines from the north to south direction should be form a magnetic field lines. So we have an activity from this chapter. So you have to draw all these magnetic lines in after session. Okay. So direction of field line, that means magnetic field lines. Outside the magnetic, the direction of magnetic field line is taken from north pole to south pole, and inside the the direction of the magnetic field line is taken from south pole to north pole. That means outside of the magnet is north pole to south pole, inside of the magnet is south pole to north pole. And the strength of magnetic field. The strength of magnetic field means the closeness of field lines. The closeness of field lines shows the relative strength of the magnetic field. That is, closer lines show stronger magnetic field, if non-closer lines show weaker magnetic field. So this is the strength of the magnetic field. So properties of magnetic field lines. So see here the properties of magnetic field lines. They do not intersect each other. That means the magnetic lines do not intersect each other. So next one, it is taken by convention that magnetic field lines emerge from north pole and emerge at south pole. Emerge from, the emergence means so taking out from the north pole, and we have to going to south pole, that is the merge at south pole. And the inside the magnet, the direction is from south pole to north pole. So therefore magnetic field lines are closed curves. So it should be look like a closed curves. So these are the main important things of a to draw a magnetic field and magnetic field lines from these properties. Clear?